Hello and welcome to my lab. Today I'm going to show you a rather interesting circuit which basically contains two things. The first one is a LDR, means light dependent resistance. As the name implies that it changes resistance depending on the brightness of light. Basically it's a sensor which senses the intensity of light. And the second one is a PWM circuit, which I showed you in my previous video as a motor speed controller. Click on this link if you haven't watched it yet. So what I'm going to do today is I'm gonna combine these two things and make an automatic car headlight system. So you don't have to switch your car headlights on or off. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. In order to power these two bulbs, which represent as car headlights, we need a voltage level from 0 to 12 volts, depending on the brightness of sunlight. So as I mentioned you earlier that this guy can sense the intensity of light and change its resistance accordingly. So we can build a really simple circuit based on LM317 as a linear voltage regulator. So let me connect the components quickly. Just imagine this light source as a sunlight. So as you can see that in the multimeter that if I increase the brightness of light, the voltage drops. And if I decrease the brightness of light, the voltage increases. So they are inversely proportional to each other. So we can just hook our two light bulbs here and call it a day. But wait! The LM317 can only handle current up to 1.5 amps, but these two light bulbs need a lot more than that. So we need another circuit to handle more current. So here comes the motor speed controller that can able to handle current up to 30 amps. I insist you to watch that video first to get a better understanding of the circuit. So I just removed the potentiometer from the circuit and connect a loose wire to the center point. Then I place the circuit on a breadboard and connect the loose wire to the output of LM317. Then I gave power to the circuit. I also connect the two light bulbs at the output of the circuit. So after a couple of short tests, as you can see, the circuit works flawlessly. When I'm happy with my circuit, I disconnect all the components from the breadboard and solder them in a more permanent manner. After 5 minutes of soldering, I reconnect all the wires on a breadboard just to confirm that it works, which it did without any problem. As always, don't forget to... Oh, wait! You can keep this circuit super simple by removing the second circuit and add this small relay to it. So you just have to connect the output of LM317 to the relay and attach the light bulb in series to the relay. This also works fine, as you can see. If you want to see the more practical version and the installation of the circuit in a car, so you just have to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. If you have any suggestions or a circuit you want me to make, then please let me know. Also, if you have any questions regarding this project, then feel free to comment in the comment section below. Stay safe and I'll see you around.